Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly next level, the AWOL VISION ThunderBeat 4.1.2 all-wireless home theater sound system, a premium surround sound solution designed for people who want cinematic audio without the complexity of traditional wired systems. The ThunderBeat 4.1.2 system delivers a true Dolby Atmos experience, and the key lies in its speaker configuration. You get 4 main channels, a dedicated center channel for dialogue clarity, dual 120W wireless subwoofers, and 2 upward-firing speakers that project sound vertically. Why does this matter? Because Dolby Atmos isn't just left and right, it adds height. You hear sound above you, around you, and moving through space, creating a real theater-like environment. The dual 120W subwoofers are a standout feature. Instead of a single sub handling all low frequencies, 2 subs distribute bass evenly across the room. This reduces dead zones and delivers deeper, tighter, and more balanced bass. Explosions hit harder, music feels fuller, and action scenes gain real physical impact. What makes ThunderBeat especially impressive is that it's fully wireless, no long speaker cables running across the room. Each component pairs seamlessly, keeping setup clean and minimal. This is ideal for modern living rooms, apartments, or home theaters where aesthetics matter as much as performance. With Dolby Atmos and DTS support, this system is optimized for movies, TV shows, gaming, and streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV. Dialogue remains clear even during loud action scenes because the center channel handles vocals separately, preventing them from being drowned out by effects. The sound tuning is bold but controlled, immersive without distortion. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, live sports, or listening to high-energy music, the ThunderBeat fills large rooms effortlessly. If you want powerful surround sound, real height effects, and a clean wireless setup, the AWOL VISION ThunderBeat 4.1.2 system is one of the most complete all-in-one home theater solutions available today. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest home theater reviews, and check the Amazon link below to support the channel.